नमस्कार सभी को। Another video on journal with different question. Golden rules I have already mentioned at the top left. As you can see, real, personal and nominal account. Real account, what comes in should be debited, what goes out should be credited. Personal, receiver the debit, giver the credit. Nominal, expense and losses should be debited, incomes and gains should be credited. Let's look the question. In the journal of RKC and Sons, the proprietor name is RKC and Sons. The entire transactions has been taken place in the month of January and the year is 2019. So the first question, January 7, sold goods for cash 13,000. Let's look into the journal entry. First you have to write the name of the books and at the top as I have written in the books of RKC and Sons. Then draw up these columns, date, particulars, ledger, folio, debit amount, credit amount. January 7, first entry, sold goods for cash. Cash account debited to sales account. Cash being the real account, cash is coming in, therefore it is debited. Sales representing the nominal account, which is an income, therefore it is credited. Second question, on January 9, second transaction. On January 9, sold goods to Hari 15,000. Hari account will be debited to sales account. The reason, Hari is selling goods to Hari. So here Hari is the receiver. Therefore, as the rule goes, for personal account receiver is debited, therefore Hari is debited to sales account since sales represent the nominal account and it is an income. Therefore, it is credited. Narration, do not forget to write narration. Narration is nothing but in brief the transaction or the entry based on transaction, the entry you have passed. Like as I have written, being goods being sold on credit. One more things to remember here, both transactions took place on 7 and 9, both represent selling goods, but one of the transaction, that is the transaction took place on 7 January representing selling goods on cash, whereas on January 9 selling goods to party name is mentioned, therefore it is treated as a credit sales. On January 12, receive cash from Hari 10,000. So cash is coming in, therefore as the rule goes for real account, cash account debited to Hari since Hari is personal account and he is the giver, therefore he is credited. And the narration goes, being cash received. Then the next transactions on January 8, sold goods to Suresh for cash 12,600. Again cash is coming in. Here you have to be very cautious. On January 18, sold goods to Suresh. Party name is also mentioned and specifically mentioned that sold goods for cash. So this transaction will be treated as a cash sales. So the entry will be cash account debited to sales account, being cash coming in, right? And sales being the nominal account representing the income, therefore credited. Then on January 19, sold goods to Suresh. Here party name is mentioned, nothing mentioned about cash, hence treated as a credit sales. So the entry will be Suresh account debited to sales account. Suresh being the receiver and sales is income, nominal account. Then on January 24, withdrew cash from office for personal use. Remember, when the proprietor withdraw amount from the business for a personal use, a new account will be opened which is known as drawings account. So as you can see, drawings account debited to cash since cash is going out, therefore the entry goes like drawing account debited to cash account 2,500. On January 29, paid wages. Wages representing expenses, it's a nominal account, therefore wages account debited to cash account since cash is going out. Salary to Gopal. Remember, if it is specifically mentioned, the payment is made to the party and the reason is mentioned, the salary, therefore salary account will be debited. Do not debit the party name. Here the reason of payment is clear, reason of payment is salary, therefore salary being the nominal account representing expenses, salary account debited to cash account because cash is going out. And narration goes like being salary paid. Then the last, received commission. Here commission is an income and it is coming in the form of cash, therefore cash account debited to commission account. Commission representing nominal account, all incomes are credited, therefore commission is credited. Cash is coming in being the real account, therefore cash is debited. After completion of these entries, when you add up both the columns, debit column and credit column, you will get the amount 61,950.